Hello everyone, this is another special video, the third one of this kind that I've made for my YouTube channel so far. I know I haven't been as active as I'd like to be, as perhaps some of you would like me to be. Some of your responses to the recent shorts video that I made was quite encouraging, and so I'll be trying to make a lot more videos in days to come. So why is this a special video? You've probably guessed it right, as it's obvious in the title of the video. Today I'm requesting a $5,000 plus payout from Lucid Trading, which is a futures prop firm, and my very first payment with Lucid and my first experience. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, so I am on my Lucid dashboard. Something quite funny happened. I was under the presumption that I was recording a video for YouTube, requesting payout from Lucid. They're talking about it for 15-20 minutes, and then I realized I haven't clicked record. And then that was very disappointing. The thought of missing out on such a good video for my YouTube channel, especially after you guys showed me support with the last few videos, gutted me, right? But here's the thing. Just as I refreshed my dashboard after realizing I haven't recorded a video, here's what I see. I see that they have approved my payout request literally inside 10 to 15 minutes. That is very rare in this prop firm space, guys. If you are on X on Twitter, you know what I'm talking about, right? Firms changing rules, firms rug pulling, firms literally playing with traders' hard work. This is top notch. So I can't compliment Lucid Trading enough. So because I missed on recording that wonderful video, I'm going to go over it once more. I don't think there's anything magical about requesting a payout, right? So this is how it showed up. Here it said max withdrawal balance was this. As approved status was obviously request, and I would click on request into the amount, and then I will submit, and then it would show the status as pending. So that's all. There's nothing special about that. The special thing is there's approved, right? So let me show you the dashboard on these accounts. So I've got 5 Lucid Flex accounts. They launched Lucid Flex, I think, back in early December, which brought me to Lucid, and my experience with them has been nothing short of phenomenal. The dashboard updates instantly. The trading conditions are very favorable. They don't have a single unreasonable rule. They do cap your payouts, but that's reasonable. You sign up for it. It's a prop firm that's built for consistent, medium-sized payouts. Nothing crazy, right? You're not going to be able to get out 100k, 50k. You'll be able to get out 10k, 5k consistently. So this is the sort of prop firm that intermediate and beginner traders should be trading with, even the very best of traders, really, because as long as you can rely on the prop firm paying you, keeping the conditions favorable, then all you need to worry about is your own trading. So the balance currently shows us $51,127. That is because they've deducted the requested amounts from my balance, right? Let me show you the dashboard. So I've traded these accounts just for 9 trading days, which for $5,000 isn't a very long time, right? So as you can see, the first day of these accounts started on the red, which can be a psychological problem. The very first day of these accounts, I had a losing trade, $180 in the minus. Second day, went it back, 400 plus, 200 plus, again 400 loss. December's chop zones, my setup was just having a hard time. $86, this was me cutting a loss short. Otherwise this would have been easily minus $300 again, as that is my average risk. And then I had 4 consecutive days that's responsible for all the amount that I've withdrawn, and a $700 day, $300 day, $600 day, and then today was $567 days. I could have easily pushed this up to 1,000 or 1,500 because I was seeing very high momentum setups after the chop was resolved. But here's the thing: when you can lock a payout, do lock a payout, because we've all been there. We're eligible for a payout, we don't take it, we want more, we get greedy, and then puff, it just blows into thin air and it no longer exists. I had to switch to the other camera, guys. Something was wrong with it. It was blurring my face. I didn't know who it was recording after tonight's disaster. And if not clicking record, I didn't want to miss out the rest of this video. So I was talking about how you should lock in payouts when you're able to lock them. And you shouldn't wait, you shouldn't get greedy. Let me make 500 more, let me make 1,000 more. Get the payout, reduce your risk, trade the account back up to profit. That's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I have about $1,000 left as a minimum balance. If I lose 1,000, I blow the accounts. So I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce my risk to at least 60% of what I was risking when I started trading these accounts. It's going to take me just a few green days to bring it back to 2,000, and then increase my risk again in accordance to my cyclical analysis, which basically means where my mechanical setup lies in current market cycles and current market conditions. So, but that determines my risk. My risk management is dynamic. I don't always risk the same amount. So, but the goal is to get him back as close to that 2,000 as possible, and then bring back my risk to what it was, and then hopefully trade it to 4,000, get a $10,000 payout. That's the goal, guys. Next payout from Lucid has to be at least $10,000, because I've taken a payout from these accounts and I've built the cushion. I can now dig deep, stay a bit longer, get a 10k payout. Hopefully I'll make a video about that one in just a few weeks from now, and then we can watch it together with this one and see, to inspire you. It truly is a phenomenal feeling to be able to make this video, not just because it's a payout video, but also because I'm making this video for YouTube, for you guys, after the support you showed me in the last couple of videos. So I want to be able to make more content a lot more regularly, because your support means a lot to me. Trading journey can be quite solitary, as you know. It can play with your mind and lead to over trading, looking at the charts all the time. So doing this, building a community, is obviously a great enhancement to trading psychology itself, which is why I turned to it. So that's it for today's video. After the blunder, after the disaster, I think I have managed to fix it. Hopefully you think so as well. And let me show you the payouts once again. It is approved. Total is just above $5,000. You can do the math. It's just above 1,000 from 4 accounts and 1,100 from one of the accounts. Lucid Flex. I totally recommend Lucid. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not an influencer. I don't have the following to become an affiliate, I think. I don't know. I'm just concerned with my trading at the moment. But this is absolutely a phenomenal firm compared to all the firms I've traded with. I've traded with Topstep, Funitex, Apex, Tradeify. I think Lucid is really at the top for me at the moment, with the current conditions they have, the current rules they have. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. It was a pleasure to be able to record this video, to be able to do another payout video. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.